Welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur and I have Ridan and Vivan with me today for a game of word chain. Do you guys know what word chain is?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. So we will be having a chain of words. The first word will be connected to the second one. The second and the third are connected. Third and fourth are connected. So on and so forth. Okay. You have to guess all the words until we finish the until we reach the end of the word chain as what I have written. All right. Okay, guys. So are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start. Your first word today is YouTube.
Video.
Next one. Okay, video is correct. Okay. And the next one starts with G. What is it?
Game.
Okay, game. Video game. You play video games?
Is this O?
Yes, it is O. Game. What is the next one? Come on. O.
Open.
Open. No. Good guess.
Game open.
Come on, you can think of it. It's connected to the game only. What happens at the end of a video game?
Over.
Exactly. Game over. This game is not over yet though. Okay, over. Next one. After over. Starts with C. What could it be?
Over. Oh, that one. Oh.
Over what? Come on, C.
Cove.
No. What's cove? What does that even mean? Is there a word like that, guys? Okay.
Overcome.
C. Overcome. No, that's a very good guess. But no, it's not come. That's not the answer I'm looking for.
Overcall.
Overcall. Again.
Overcall.
Correct, but no, that's not the answer. That's not the one that I want because the answer that I have continues to the other set of words that I have.
Overcall is correct only.
It's correct. I'm not saying it's wrong, but it's not correct as per what I have my word chain. Okay, let me give you a clue. This one is
Comb. Overcome.
What is overcome? Overcome was okay. Overcall was okay. Okay, so this one is something related to eating.
Over.
C. Okay, what could it be? Think of the words that are connected to that.
Coke.
You're kind of close, but you're saying the word wrong. Over.
Close.
Close कैसे होगा? There are four dashes. Come on,
Close.
Vedant.
Coke.
Think. Give it a try. Not Coke.
Cola.
It's not cola.
Coke.
It kind of sounds similar. Okay. You have no clue. Shall I give you the
No,
second
no, no,
letter?
no.
I'll give you the second letter. You can still try and guess.
No. Coke.
Okay. I'm giving you
Cake.
the no.
Overcake.
Next one is O.
Oh, only no.
Over. I told you it's related to eating.
Eating. And I told cola.
Okay. You how are salads made? Do you do anything to salads?
Overcoal.
Over?
Cook.
It is not cone, it is cook. My god, how many words you guys connected? Overcook. Correct. That's why I said it's connected to eating. Okay, cook. Next one.
Food.
Huh?
Food.
Food. Correct. Cook food. Good one, guys. Okay,
Oh no,
got two more.
food.
After food, what is the next one?
Trial.
No, food trial. Good one, actually. I didn't think of that one. What else could it be? Tea.
Tray.
No, tray is only 4 letters. I have 5 letters here after the, thing.
Food track.
Huh?
Food
Turn.
track. Food track.
Foot?
Rack. Food track.
Track. No, you're kind of close. Just change one letter.
Track. Dack. Rack.
Replace the A with something else.
Track. T-R-A-C-K. Food track.
No.
Deck. Hey, shit.
T it starts, no.
T-R. Now just don't
Dash.
C-K.
What could it be? Come on.
Trick. Treat.
No. Food treat. Okay, that's again a good answer, but not the one I'm looking for.
Fruit track. What can you replace with A? I.
Think what else you can replace.
Treat.
Why are you asking me? You have to give
Treat.
the answer.
Stroke. Trick. Truck.
The last one left out. That's the
You.
answer, everyone. Come on.
Truck.
Yeah, food truck it is. Okay, so food truck, guys. Come on, took you some
Deliver.
time.
Deliver.
Wait. The next one will be D. Deliver. No. Deliver has 7 letters. This has only 6 letters. What could it be?
Dunzo.
And others closed down now.
Dominoes.
Think connected. Truck what? Truck domino कुछ नहीं होता ना? You have to think that way. Connect the words.
I think it's related to construction.
Maybe could be anything.
I think it's related to construction.
Okay, I'll
truck
give
dump.
you. Do you want me to give you a clue or do you
No,
want
no,
me
no.
to give you the second letter?
No,
What do you
no.
want?
Wait. It is telling you try. Truck dumper.
No.
Are you close?
You're kind of close. The last two alphabets are correct.
Dumper. E-R. Then
3 letters, what could it be?
dipper. Yeah, E-R. Last two are E-R. D. Middle 3 letters. I think Darbar. I think, see,
Okay, think slowly, think calmly. Truck. D से start होने जैसा what could it be? Okay, I'll give you a clue. A person inside the truck. This is.
truck driver. Driver.
See, you have to think calmly. Truck driver. Perfect. Okay. These guys have reached the end of the word chain. They did well beyond my expectations. Though I was thinking, will they be able to kind of, connect it or not? You guys did well, Ridan and Vivan. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed today's quiz. And if you did, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and stay updated on all our latest quizzes and videos. We will come back soon with more fun videos. Until then, bye.